couple of tries with a brush will help you to improve and make it more refined. But we are showing you two different ways. One is with the brush and one is with the pen.
ये लास्ट वाला है, इसमें भी हम सेम कलर करेंगे यही पैटर्न का।
So he's alternating the same pattern in the, left the central portion and then the top portion is alternating with the same pattern which is used earlier.
ये फाइनल ऐसा दिखेगा, ये पैटर्न जो कि, और ये सेंटर में हम पेन का काम करेंगे। हमने ये पत्ती वाला पैटर्न यूज किया है, मैंने डिसाइड किया है ये पैटर्न हम इसमें डालेंगे सेंटर। 0.1 पेन है, इसका यूज कर रहा हूं मैं। ये ऐसा पैटर्न बनेगा। कल हमने जो बनाया था सेम यही वाला पैटर्न। ये मैंने स्टार्ट कर दिया है। ये मैं पत्ती का पैटर्न बना रहा हूँ और ये सीधे सीधे आते जाएंगे, एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद एक कड़ी बनती हुई वो नीचे आएगी।
So he's using a combination of a brush motif and also a pen. You are free to use both or just one, whatever you prefer. It is completely upon the artist discretion what he or she would like to use. You can also use a point to make the infill patterns. And in case you don't have any of these, you can even just stick to a 0.5 pen.
ये ऐसा दिखेगा।
Is it clear for everyone? The lower two are, I mean, one in the middle is made with pen, and the top and the bottom is made with brush. So always in Gond paintings, they will divide large portions into smaller parts so that the pattern stands out, and then they can experiment with another kind of a pattern as well.
जैसा हमने ऑरेंज में भी पार्ट किया था, वैसे हम नीले कलर पे भी पार्ट करेंगे, 2 हिस्सों में बांट देंगे।
So now he's dividing the blue portion into a few parts. He will show you the close-up once he divides it.
ये मैंने राउंड में किया है, सीधे भी कर सकते हैं या राउंड में जैसा अच्छा लगे।
Is it clear for everyone? Can everyone see it?
ये नीले कलर के लिए हमने ये गोदना का पैटर्न लिया है, जो हमने लाइन 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 करके हमने बनाया था येलो कलर से। हम ये इसका यूज करेंगे। जैसे हमने ऑरेंज के साथ किया था, पहले हमने रेड से राउंड किया और फिर लास्ट में भी हमने वैसे ही किया। ऐसे ही हम ब्लू के साथ भी ऐसे ही करेंगे। यहाँ पे हम येलो के डॉट्स डालेंगे, गोदना वाला जो पैटर्न यूज किया है इसमें और इसमें आएगा, बीच वाला हिस्सा छोड़ देंगे। इसमें हम येलो कलर से गोदना का जो पैटर्न कल बनाया था पीले कलर से, वो हम करेंगे पहले वाले में और सबसे लास्ट वाले में। बीच का हिस्सा हम छोड़ देंगे दूसरे कलर करने के लिए।
Clear to everyone? Is it clear now? Is it the picture visible? So he has taken one of the patterns which he had shortlisted yesterday, the one which was the tattoo patterns, the dashes, and that's what he's adding on the top section and the bottom. The middle he will leave empty and he will use another pattern there. You are free to use the same pattern in the entire section. It's not necessary. It is just for your reference. And of course, it is always nice to have more patterns, but not too many. I think for a painting, not more than 2 or 3 patterns should be used. Otherwise, it becomes a very busy looking painting. And also that it creates many textures.
ऐसा ही सेम हम इस वाले पेड़ पे भी करेंगे।
He has used lemon yellow or yellow on blue. Like I said yesterday, that always try and use a lighter shade on which you can use a darker color. But if you do decide to use a dark color, then the color you use for the motifs has to be lighter. Otherwise, it will never show. Is it clear now for everyone to see that he's finished the lemon yellow part on the top portion? And he's finished for both the top and the bottom, the dashes which represent the godna.
अब हम ये लहर का पैटर्न लेंगे, बिना बैकग्राउंड वाला जो हमने बनाया था। ये हम बीच के लिए यूज करेंगे, पेन से काम होगा इसमें। जो हिस्सा हमने छोड़ा था, ये वाला और ये वाला, इस पे हम वो लहर का पैटर्न करेंगे। ये वाला पैटर्न।
Planning to use the wave pattern in the portion he's left out with a pen. So he has put in the wave pattern. Is it clear to everyone? Can everyone see it? He's used a pen and he's put the wave pattern in the central portion of the blue part.
इस वाले में भी हम सेम ही यूज करेंगे, ऐसा ही पैटर्न इसमें भी बनाएंगे।
Since it's a symmetric figure, he will use the same motifs on the other side as well.
ये हमने फाइनल किया। एक बार मैं फिर से आपको पैटर्न दिखा देता हूँ। ये वाला पैटर्न यूज किया था हमने। अ, सिर के लिए हम सबसे पहले आउटलाइन करेंगे। जो पार्टीशन है ऑरेंज कलर का और ग्रे कलर का, या आपने जो भी कलर किया होगा फेस में, इसको हम डिवाइड करेंगे वो आउटलाइन करके।
So he is going to outline the face. What you can also do is you can outline the entire figure at one time, uh, or you can do it part wise. So he is going to just outline the face right now, the head rather, and then he will add some pattern or some dots which he will tell you. For outlining, you can use a thicker pen, say 0.5 or 0.6. And outlining actually will help in hiding all the flaws. In case your painting has not been neat at the edges, it kind of neatens up the edges of the painting.
कान पे भी हम सेम आउटलाइन करेंगे जैसे हमने सिर पे किया।
So he's going to outline the ears as well.
हमने सिर पे भी आउटलाइन किया हुआ है और सींग पे और कान पे भी सेम आउटलाइन किया हुआ है।
So he's basically outlined the entire face along with the ears and the horns.
इसके सींगों के लिए हम बांस का जो पैटर्न कल हमने बनाया था, ये वाला जो पैटर्न बनाया था हमने, सेम ये पैटर्न करेंगे इसके सींग पर। इधर पे दो लाइन खींचूंगा, पहला यहाँ पे और दूसरा यहाँ पे, छोटे छोटे, और यहाँ पे सींग पे मैं यही डिजाइन करूंगा। ये बांस का पैटर्न जो कल बनाया था हमने।
So in the horns, he is going to use the pattern of the bamboo which he had made yesterday. It shortlisted one of those. He will just show you, and that he's going to use with a pen.
और ये कान के लिए हम इसमें पत्ती का डिजाइन डालेंगे। एक सेंटर से एक लाइन खींचकर ऐसे पत्ती का जो नॉर्मल डिजाइन होता है वो डालेंगे हम। मैं बनाकर दिखा
So for the ears, he is using a pattern of a leaf. So basically, the ear will look like a leaf.
ऐसा पैटर्न डालेंगे। चेहरे में कलर से डिजाइन नहीं करेंगे, इस पे डॉट 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 डालेंगे कहीं कहीं पे। आँख का शेप दूंगा मैं पहले, यहाँ पे आँख आँख का शेप दे दूंगा मैं दोनों तरफ, उसके बाद थोड़ा थोड़ा डॉट कर देंगे।
So on the face, he is going to use dots, and he will make the outline of the eyes and make the eyes last. I will explain you a very important thing about eyes for Gone paintings, but I'll explain it when we are making the eyes. So right now he's just going to make the dots. Usually, and people, I mean, most Gond artists prefer to make dots because if you use a design, then you lose out the details that would be on the face, like particularly the eyes, nose, so it gets hidden in a pattern. So they prefer to use just dots. Also, when they use the dots, the edges will be the dots towards the edges will be more dense, and as it comes towards the center, there will be lesser dots. So basically, it gives a look, a three-dimensional look by making the edges more dense and the central part more, what do you say, sparse.
सेम ऐसा ही डॉट हम इधर नीचे भी करेंगे चेहरे।
So he's basically making dots. Can everyone hear? He's making dots on the face, the edges of the edges. Okay, fine. He's having a bit of a problem with the pen, but basically you just need to make dots.
जैसा हमने सेम माथे पे किया साइड में हमने ज़्यादा डॉट्स किए थे और बीच में आते-आते हम कम कर दिए थे। ऐसा ही सेम इसमें चेहरे पे भी हम करेंगे। साइड में ज़्यादा डॉट्स करेंगे और बीच में आते-आते डॉट्स कम हो जाएंगे। और ये हमने जो लास्ट का जो पीछे का पैर बचा हुआ था 2, हम जैसे सींग पे हमने डिज़ाइन डाला है बाँस का, वही सेम डिज़ाइन हम इसमें कर देंगे क्योंकि ये ये जो पैर का हिस्सा है ये छोटा है, इसलिए हम सेम ये डिज़ाइन इस पे कर देंगे।
So for the legs, he is going to put the design of the bamboo because it's a vertical portion and even the design is vertical. The motif that he's used is vertical.
ये हमारा पूरा गाय का जो शरीर है पूरा बन के तैयार हो गया है। हमने इसमें पेन का यूज़ किया है और कलर्स का यूज़ किया है।
So the central part, the body of the bull is ready. I think only the hooves are not done. राजू उसमें जो नीचे वाला हिस्सा है ये वाला इसमें काला करोगे क्या? So he's just going to do the outline there. Otherwise, sometimes you also find them doing the hooves completely black, but he's going to just do an outline. So now we will take the branches and the leaves. Also, I think उसमें डॉट भी डालोगे जो गोल गोल बना है ये ऑरेंज हिस्से में
ये वाला
हाँ अच्छा आखिरी में करोगे so there will be some highlighting which will be done and that he will show you at the end.
ये जो ब्रश से पैटर्न बनाया था, ये जो हमने फिगर पे लिया है, पहले पे और दूसरे पे लिया है, लास्ट वाले पे लिया है, यही पैटर्न हम करेंगे पेन से। कलर का यूज नहीं करेंगे, पेन से करेंगे।
So he's using a pen now to use the same pattern which he has used in the body. But it will not be made by brush, it will be made by pen.
ये कुछ इस तरीके से बनेगा, क्रिस क्रॉस पैटर्न में रहेगा, एक दूसरे से मिलते हुए रहेंगे ये।
Is it clear for everyone or do you want him to show you again? The pattern that he's used, it is the same pattern but he's used it with a pen now. So at the edges of the branches where the three divided portions are, the ends, which looks like a trident, there you can just put a single line because you obviously can't put the entire motif in there. So a single line should suffice. I'll just make him to show you.
ये हमारा पेड़ बन के तैयार हो गया है। पैटर्न ऐसा होगा।
So he's finished one side of the branch, which is on one side of the bull. He will complete the next side and then he will start working on the leaves. और दूसरा side कर सकते हो. I hope all of y'all are also doing along with us. Since I can't see, but if you want some time in the middle, y'all can always tell us that, okay, please just wait for a few minutes, or since we have time.
Ma'am, I am Ananda, and I don't have a much color stuff now. Is it okay if I use some alternative color, kind of a marker like that?
ये पेड़ बन के तैयार हो गया है हमारा। इसमें पत्ती का काम रह गया है, बाकी हमने तो इसमें पैटर्न डाल दिया।
So he has finished the branches totally. Now what remains is just the leaves. And if you notice that we have not colored the leaves, we have just left them as a sketch as of now in pencil, because we would like to show you how to just use cone painting with pen. I mean, you can make a cone painting just with pen. You don't need to use any colors. There are cone paints that are made only with pen, different sizes and thicknesses of pen. And there's the other one which is made with color, and on top of which you can use the brush and the pen. So let me clarify, the patterns on the tree are done with a pen which is in black. You can use white, you can use red, but red will not show on orange. And best is to use a black pen to put the patterns in.
जी मैम।
So now he's outlined the leaves. You can use a thicker pen to outline. Maybe 0.5 is a good idea to use, for the outline, because the inner part, which we will do it with a thinner pen. So we would like you to outline all the leaves with a pen.
ये हमने पत्ती बनाई है, ये केवल हमने आउटलाइन डाल के बीच से लाइन खींच के हमने पत्ती का शेप दिया है। अभी पत्ती के अंदर हमने इसमें डिजाइन नहीं डाला है, पैटर्न जो हमने कान पे जो किया था लाइन लाइन सिंगल से लाइन खींच के अलग अलग तरफ लाइन खींचा है हमने, ऐसे ही पत्ती पे करेंगे। और पत्ती भी दो प्रकार की बनती हैं, एक दोनों साइड लाइन रहती हैं और एक एक साइड लाइन रहती है। मैं आपको करके दिखाता हूँ।
So there are two types of leaves. One is where you will make a central vein, and then one side will be hatched, and one will be a central vein, and we show the vein lines on either sides of the leaf. So he's showing you both.
ये हमने 2 प्रकार की पत्तियाँ बनाई हैं। पहले में हमने एक साइड ही लाइन खींचा, हमने पत्ती का आउटलाइन देकर बीच से लाइन खींच के हमने एक साइड ही बस लाइन से भराई की है। और दूसरा जो नॉर्मल जो पत्तियाँ बनती हैं, वैसा पत्ती बनाया मैंने। कहीं-कहीं पे मैंने छोड़ दिया है और कहीं-कहीं पे पूरा बनाया है। ये 2 प्रकार की पत्ती बनाई है ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में।
So to make the internal lines, you use a thinner pen. So outline with 0.5 and the central line again you can do with 0.5 also. But the small thin lines to that indicate the veins of the leaf can be done with a 0.2 or a 0.1. We can use some vibrant colors also for the leaves. So now he is just going to show you the leaves with paint.
ये मैंने लाइट ग्रीन लिया है।
Is using the shade which is called leaf green. He's using brush number 3 to make the leaves. You need a thinner brush because obviously it's a small portion that you need to paint. You can experiment with orange leaves, yellow leaves, green leaves. It's up to you. Like I had explained to you earlier, that the leaves sit in between the trident, and it's always a teardrop shaped leaf. So it is tapering towards one end. It's a set of two leaves that you can see. So one, he is planning to use this green, and then other one which is left blank, he will possibly use another color.
ये हमने ग्रीन कलर कर लिया है पत्तियों में, और जो एक पत्ती को हमने छोड़ा था, इस पे अलग कलर करेंगे।
So he has painted one of the two leaves in green, and he will now paint. कौन सा color लेंगे?
जी पीला
With the yellow, he will make the second leaf.
ये हमारी पत्ती बन के तैयार हो गई है। हमने ग्रीन कलर लिया है और एक हमने येलो कलर लिया है।
So the leaves have been painted in green and yellow now. Now he will use the pen again on top of this. So you have an option of just leaving them with pen work, which we saw earlier, and now you can even paint them and put the pen work on it.
ये पत्ती को हम ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे सूखने के लिए और हम इसकी आंख बनाएंगे। वाइट कलर लेके ये जो हिस्सा हमने छोड़ा था इसको भरेंगे और ये जो पार्टीशन में जो हमने 2 लाइन खींच के जो अलग किया था इसमें वाइट कलर से डॉट 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 डालेंगे ताकि ये पेंटिंग उभर के दिखने लगे आगे।
So we are now going to add some highlights to the painting whilst the other leaves are drying out. So usually highlights are added with a lighter color. So he will use maybe white color, and he will make some dots to highlight the painting. You will see how different it will look once you highlight it. So it's a very important thing to do is to highlight the painting after finishing it. He's also making the eyes. Actually, in the Gond paintings, they usually make the eye the last. आखिरी में खोलोगे क्या?
जी हाँ
So they call it aankh khulna. So right now he's just putting the white, but the pupils he will add at the end. So they believe that when you put the pupils, then the painting gets life, or you give energy to the painting. So that is the last thing that every Gond artist will do. He will never make the eyes whilst he's doing the painting. When everything is complete, that is the time he will aankh kholte hain. So right now he's just also doing the highlights. He's taken white and with the brush he's putting dots. You can also use a white pen in case you're not very good using a brush. You can use a pen. You get pens which have white ink, or if you're using the Rotring, you can add um, ink, white ink to it, or you can just simply use a brush.
सेम ऐसा डॉट हम पेड़ पे भी कर सकते हैं, जो हमने राउंड राउंड का डिजाइन बनाया था। जो फर्स्ट पे जो छोटा सा राउंड बनाया है, इस हिस्से पे डॉट कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे जहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है वहां पे हम डॉट कर सकते हैं।
So where there's a junction, at the junction of the two curves, you add a dot. He'll just show you how the dots are added. So right now he's just added in the two lines, and he will now add it at the junctions. So you can see the difference that has happened after adding the white dots. Can you see the screen? Now can you see the screen?
ये हमने बिंदी डाली है, ऑरेंज पे जो हमने छोड़ा था और ब्लू पे जो छोड़ा था हमने गैप, उस पे हमने बिंदी डाली। और ये कलरफुल काम है ब्रश से और कलर से किए हैं, इसलिए इस पे मैंने डॉट डाला है। और ये ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट है, इसलिए इसमें मैंने डॉट नहीं डाला।
In the branches, he has put the white dots that you can see. Can you see at the junctions he's put white dots? So now the branch is also standing out. And on the body also he's put the white dots that I explained earlier on the lines.
जैसे हमने गाय के कान पे हमने पत्ती का शेप दिया था, सेम टू सेम हम इस पत्ती में भी शेप ऐसे ही देंगे आउटलाइन करके। ये आउटलाइन कर दी हमने। अब इसके अंदर हम भराई करेंगे जैसे हमने ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट पे किया था। एक साइड हमने खाली छोड़ दिया था और एक को हमने बनाया था पूरा। ऐसा मैं इसमें भी करके दिखा देता हूँ।
So he is using a point 2 pen to make the inside. So I explained earlier, you use a 0.5 to make the outline and the center part of the leaf, the center line of the leaf, and the rest you can use a 0.2 or a 0.1 to make the hat.
अब हम इसकी आउटलाइन करेंगे। ये जो गाय का मैंने फिगर बनाया है, ये पेंटिंग का एंड लास्ट पार्ट है। इसमें पूरा जो ऑरेंज कलर और ब्लू कलर का जो पार्ट दिया है मैंने, इसको आउटलाइन से डिवाइड करूंगा।
So every Gond painting has to be outlined. In my presentation, I had told you that after you paint, you outline. So you can do it in two ways. Either you make the entire painting like this, like he has done, and then you use a 0.5 or a 0.6 to do the outline after the whole painting is done, or once the putting in of the color is done, you can also do the outline. So there are two options, before or after. You will see that once you put the outline onto the painting will stand out.
ब्लेंड करने के बाद अब हम इसकी आँख खोल देंगे। आँख जो हमने व्हाइट कलर किया था उसको हम आँख का शेप दे देंगे।
So he is now working on the eyes. He's just doing an outline for the eyes. हाँ, So he's just finishing the outline. He's made the eyeballs, but he's not filled in the color yet for the eyeballs. He's just finishing the outline.
हमने आउटलाइन भी कर लिया है, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में भी कर लिया है और कलरफुल में भी कर लिया
So the outlining is complete. And now we will do the last step.
है। अब हम इसकी आँख बनाएंगे। मैंने आँख का शेप दे दिया था और मैंने इसमें गोला भी बना लिया है और इसको हम भर देंगे काले कलर से।
So the last step is to open the eyes. So he will just put the pupils in the eye slot. So there the eyes have been made, and now this painting is complete. Do let me know if you all have any questions. The last few minutes we will do a question answer session if you have any questions. I will put up this image on your WhatsApp group. Do follow us on Instagram on Gayatri_. Or you can email me also if you have any questions.
I have a question, ma'am.
Yes, Ananda, go ahead.
Okay, so I don't have much color. So I made it through like a black marker. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's you used a black marker and
Yeah,
that's it.
black mark. No, I use black marker and some of yellow marker. I
Oh,
don't have right now in my house
okay.
the color whatever you made like it's kind of fantastic, but I didn't like that kind of fantastic because of instrument. Like I don't have that instrument, so I just use the marker, especially the black marker, because you say that if I use some yellow marker or something like that, it cannot be showed. So that's why I use the black marker for visible. So is that okay? That's my question.
Yes. See, the idea
It's
of this
not.
workshop is for
Yeah.
you to understand the technique.
Okay, ma'am.
So
It's not
whenever you have colors, you can go ahead and try out the same technique.
Absolutely, because once you are gonna giving us the WhatsApp, then again I'm gonna make it. So right now, whatever I have made, it's not just like your art.
Yes, obviously, because with you have different. I mean, you don't have the exact, paints and the pens that are required. So obviously,
Yeah.
the look would be different, but
Yeah.
it could be also very interesting.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So there's a question that are there any rules for Gond art other than pattern and tree bud? So there are no rules basically. If you saw my presentation in the beginning, you saw it as a self-taught and a self-made art. It was only done in the early 80s. So in this man, when he started Gerard, he didn't start with any kind of rules. He just started something, he developed something. So today you'll find a lot of book artists are also using shading. And I talked about the signature patterns. So those were actually restricted to more of the older generation of owned artists. Nowadays, they mix a lot of motifs, and they are also don't have any meaning to to the motifs. They just, no inspiration is taken. They just start making, whatever they want to. Is it usual? No, so the reason why we showed you different colors in the other branch was because we just wanted to see how it looks. That was it. Otherwise, you can have a uniform kind of leaves all over. I just saw someone's painting. I don't know. I can't see it anymore.
Ma'am, I just request sir if sir can zoom the painting.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So someone's question is, can I find art with human figures? Yes, you can use human figures. A lot of their own stories have human figures.
Right. Ma'am, I think with this we come to the end of the 2-day workshop. Firstly, I would like to extend a vote of thanks to you and your team, especially for kindly consenting for facilitating this workshop. And apart from this, I would like to thank the national in charge, the national convener, and the national team of Think India. I would also like to thank all the participants for joining. We look forward to have your paintings soon. I'm just attaching the form in the chat box. You can upload your paintings here. This is the feedback form for the workshop also. Right? Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your patience. Yes, thank you.